Welcome to our tutorial about redefining views. Let's begin by creating a custom view. We'll right-click, select View Orientation. Let's give it a name. We'll call it My View. And click OK. Let's close the orientation box. Now let's open a new document, Make Drawing from Part Assembly. OK. We'll choose B Landscape. OK. Let's scroll down and get my new view. I'm going to drag it into my drawing document. Do I want to switch to isometric true dimensions? No. Let's click No. And let's change our display style and click OK. Now let's say I want to change this view. Let's go to a part document. I'm going to select this face. Let's choose a normal to view. Now right-click, View Orientation. And I'm going to select my view. That's the one I just created a moment ago. Let's click Update Standard Views. Now let's go back to my drawing document. As you see, my view is updated here as well. Let's check it out. OK. And this concludes our tutorial about redefining views.